In Matthew 28 verse 19 says, "Go therefore and make disciples of all nations." That is why we will continue to reach out for Christ. So today, we are so grateful na finally nakasugod na punta og second year run nato diri sa Davao City National High School sa programa nato nga #NotAlone program. Today, na-discuss nato ang duha ka sessions, which is ang #relationship goals and #respeto lang.
Yung tunay daw na love, right time. Yung landi daw, anytime. Yung tunay daw na love, may goals. Yung landi daw, puro go. Ang tunay daw na love, may commitment. Ang landi, puros excitement.
So talking about this session, #relationship goals, what we want to embed or what we want to impart to all students is that for them to manage yung relationship sa kanilang mga kaibigan, for them to know in the future to manage their relationship at the right time, and for them to have a good relationship in their family. And most especially, what's so important about this session is that for them to establish good relationship with God through Jesus. Yun yung importante, yung love ni God. Doon po nakabase yung unang topic natin.
We are saved by grace alone.
Good morning, Davao City National High School! So, ang second session namin is about #respeto lang. It's very relevant, it's very important sa mga kabataan talaga na malaman nila. Because one thing na nawawala sa generation nila is respect. So, the main message really na gusto natin tumatak sa students natin for #respeto lang is firstly, having that respect sa Panginoon natin. Because everything else just flows through. If you have that respect of who God is, if you really know kung sino talaga ang Panginoon, then you will also value other people.
So, firstly po, nag-hesitate jud ko na magpunta sa school kasi I wonder unsay matabang sa amuan na students ang ingani na program, and na-appreciate jud na ako siya kay after each and every session kay nahatagan mig chance na mag-ingon sa among feelings, makahelp jud siya sa students na pareha sa ako na ma-express akong feelings kay usahay mahadlok mi mag-express ang feelings kay basig mabuli mi. Helpful kaayo ang mga kuyas and ates and tanan facilitators na para jud ma-help sa amua and matatak sa amua na we are not alone.
And don't forget you're not alone. The Holy
Sa
Spirit.
Ephesians 6:7, work with enthusiasm as though you were working for the Lord rather than for men. So ibig sabihin kung meron tayong ginagawa, ang pinaka-the best na trabaho is that dapat you're doing it saan? Kay Lord.
The program will not just cater the student, but also there is a need to really equip the teachers. Kasi naniniwala kami na ang second influence ng mga kabataan ngayon ay ang mga guro. So that's why it is important as we reach the next generation, it is also important that we equip every partners. Kaya nga yung sabi nila, di ba, it will take the whole village to raise up a child. So we need teachers, we need parents, so that we be able to really effectively disciple, mentor our next generation leaders.
New mercy before me is taking new ground. Grace never ending has found me completely. What love is like this? 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 What love is like this?
We thank the Lord for our partners sa Davao City National High School sa Elevate Movement through their program #NotAlone. The Demery Foundation is committed to continue na isupport kani nga program diri sa Davao City National High School. And
Whatever you're going through, you are not alone.
You are